Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And in this video you see that I'm promoting the Power Lead System marketing system. And I wanted to just show you how simple it is to create a subdomain. Once you join with the Power Lead System, you're going to log in, and of course you're going to get you a domain with them. If you don't have one, you're going to create a domain or buy a domain from the Power Lead System, which will cost $12, just $12 for a year. And after you have joined and you have bought your domain name, my domain name is Market with Marlon. Of course, you have to be an affiliate. You have to be a gold member to be able to do these or use these features. And what you want to do, once you get started, you have checked out the Start Here button, and you know that you got two links, referral link A or referral link B, which will promote lead lightning. Lead lightning is the beginning of the Power Lead System, and it's a capture page and an autoresponder. The autoresponder has messages, pre-written messages that will promote lead lightning itself or lead lightning and your primary business, which lead lightning is $7 one-time fee, and when people join up for the $7 you get paid to $6. And this is just to promote lead lightning, and this right here promote lead lightning and your primary business. Whatever your primary business is, you just select this, put it in the space right here. That's what you do, and then click update. And now we're going to go to websites, manage websites, and web pages, domains, and subdomains is where you want to be. We're going to go over here, and we're going to click on manage subdomains. Okay, and you have a video up here to instruct you on what to do. And also you have information written out for you. But I'm just showing you how easy it is. You already have your domain. My domain name is Market with Marlon. I'm going to click right here to create a subdomain. Whatever you put in front of that dot before your domain name is what your website, your subdomain will be. For this purpose, I'm just going to pick on I'm going to type in training 101 for you. No, I'm just going to leave with training 101. And then we're going to click the create button. Create, and then to assign your subdomain, training101.marketwithmarlon.com. Click here to use an existing web page from our library or web pages. So we'll do that. And we're not going to click here to use a web page you've already created or click here to create your own web page. We're going to click here to use one that's already in the system. So we click here. It takes us over to choose a landing page. Your landing page is going to be your capture pages. Okay, you see the subdomain that I created right here, and right here it say I want to attract someone to become a prospect for whatever I want. Use that. Don't use to become a free lead system forever. Remember, always use this one when you are creating your subdomain and assigning a capture page to it. Okay, we're going to go down here, and we're going to select a lead capture page. And since I'm promoting lead lightning and my primary business, lead lightning right here, let me see. I think I want to use, I'm going to just go bypass the lead capture page. No, I'm not. I'm going to show you what the lead capture page look like. Let's use this one right here. And we're going to use just a space for the email address only, not email, not name, email, and phone number, not name and email. We just gonna select use this one, and we just want you to take a look at it right quick. This is the web page or the capture page we're going to use. Free reports reveal the top 5 dirt cheap tools I use to create endless leads and traffic. And they will click here. Whoever you promote this page to, they will click here. And it's just going to be a space for the email only here. They put their email there and then free access. Let's just use this for an example. Put Marl in there, which it won't be a space for your name. It's just be the email. And I'm just going to make up an email account. And then free instant access is what they're going to click on. And then they have to prove that they are a real person. Type in the code, then submit. And voila. This is the sales page that comes up. But we're going to use this right here, and we're going to go back to the top, all the way to the top, and we're going to save my choice. That is the capture page that we're using on the subdomain we just created. Now it wants you to choose a sales page. A sales page, after they have put their email address in, they will go to a sales page that will sell them on what you are promoting. I'm going to use, let me see what I want to use. I think I use this one right here just for an example. Use this one, bypass lead. No, I'm not going to bypass lead capture page. I'm going to, what do I want to use? I tell you what, I'm going to use this one right here. Viral cache lead capture page. No, I don't want to use that one. We'll just use this one right here. We'll use this one right here. And we'll go back up to the top. And we'll save one choice. And now it's created. You can put a name on it. But you already have your link created with your subdomain. And that's it. That's how it's done. Let's click on it to see what happens. There my page is. See, I have one space for the email address. Free instant access. Then show that I am a real person if the code comes up. Okay, here's the code. We're going to type in the code. Click submit. And there it is, Lead Lightning sales page, which a video will come up telling them all about Lead Lightning. And this is the way you create your subdomain and promote Lead Lightning as well. All right, there'll be a link at the bottom. You can click on the link and join Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee, or you can upgrade to the Power Lead system if you want. If not, you still have a capture page and an autoresponder that send out pre-written messages for you on your behalf. But to go through the task of making your own subdomain, you have to be a gold member in the Power Lead system, which is well worth it. All right, my name is Marlon Carter in Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.